In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email on hotels.com. Let's walk through what actually works, what often doesn't, and the practical steps you can take to update the email on your account. First, a quick reality check. Hotels.com does not make it straightforward to change the email tied to an existing account. Many users report that the option isn't clearly visible in settings. Attempts to edit the email can fail with errors, and even support may not always be able to process the change through chat or by phone. It's a known limitation that can be frustrating, so going in with the right expectations will save you time. If you still have access to your current email address, start by signing into your Hotels.com account and opening your profile or account settings. Look carefully for sections labeled Account Information or Personal Details. If you see an email field, try updating it there and save your changes. In many cases, you'll be asked to verify the new address by clicking a confirmation link sent to that inbox. Keep an eye on your spam or junk folder and make sure the confirmation link hasn't expired. If you receive the verification email and confirm it successfully, your email change should take effect once the system updates. If there's no editable email field or you run into an error, don't worry, there's another route to try. Because a direct change is often not available, your next step is to contact Hotels.com support and request help updating your account email. Go to the Help or Contact Us page on their website or in the app and start a live chat or submit a support request. You can also call customer service by using the number listed for your country on the Contact Us page. When you reach an agent, clearly explain that you want to update your account email address and be ready to provide both the old address currently on the account and the new one you want to use. For security, support may ask to verify your identity, so have relevant details ready, things like recent booking information or other account specifics you can safely share. Be patient, as the agent may need to escalate the request or confirm ownership before proceeding. To recap, try the in-account option first if it appears. Complete any verifications sent to the new address. And if that doesn't work, reach out to support through the official Help or Contact Us channels. With the right information on hand and a bit of persistence, you'll have the best chance of getting your Hotels.com email updated.